Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile guys camera lag problem solve setting. How to solve camera lag problem in iqoo mobile. One by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your iqoo mobile phone camera. After on phone camera, since you have any camera lag problem, so how to solve camera lag problem. First of all, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, open your phone search option and friends click here and search your app setting. Friends, click your app setting. So friends, click your app setting. Where is app setting? All app setting. Friends, click here and friends you can check your all app. Click here see all app and friends scroll it. Friends, click here camera and friends click here storage and cache and friends click here clear storage and delete. After it friends come back, open your iqoo mobile phone camera again, tap here. Friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, click here I have read this privacy statement, I agree while using this app, allow option. Friends, now you can use your camera setting without any lag and hanging problem. Friends, you want to on slow motion video, you can on slow motion video, time lapse video you can use from here. And if you click setting, you can on more setting, you can on camera sound, you can off camera sound, you can on watermark, you want to off watermark, you can off. Again friends, you have any problem, so friends click here reset option and friends reset your camera setting. After reset your camera setting friends, again give permission, I agree. Friends, now you can use your iqoo mobile phone camera without any hanging and lag problem. And friends, you want to use portrait mode setting, you can on portrait mode, you can take photo in portrait mode, you can use night mode camera setting from here. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.